Great. Hi, I'm Heather. I'm the Clinical Director of Abilities Neurological Rehabilitation, and I'm here today with Charla,
Hi.
one of our speech-language pathologists. And today we're going to talk a little bit about when to start therapy. So right now, as we're filming this video, it's August, and summer is a really good time to be with your family. People are going on camping and vacations and those kind of things. But as we start to move along in August, then it's time to start thinking about back to school, and some of that back to school is often back to therapy.
Right.
So, Charla, when would you recommend that somebody come and start their therapy or book their first assessment?
Well, I definitely think that the earlier the better.
Yeah.
And a lot of times parents do take off the summer
Yeah.
with their kids, but I do think if they could come in like in August, that would be great. A lot of parents are planning for back to school with in different aspects, like getting the school supplies, etc.
Right.
But if they can start with therapy, getting that in earlier, we can start earlier assessments, which can set them up better for school in terms of getting some of the results into the teachers. They could also get into the habit of a routine again and listening, because after the summer, the kids are kind of all over the place.
We're all craving routine again.
Exactly. And also to give them that flexibility in the schedule. So a lot of times in September or in other parts of the year, the schedule is so packed with clients that they cannot get like a particular time. And sometimes the kids work better in one slot than the other. So when they're doing an assessment, it would be great to get them at their most optimal time.
Right.
So I think that would be pretty great for them. And just in general, the kids are less tired and stressed out, because sometimes when they come in after school, they're yawning.
Right.
So if we can get that done when they're less stressed and happy and it's nice and sunny, I think everybody is pretty much happy about that.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Yeah.
Disadvantages?
I wouldn't say that. I think it's just a matter of cost. And, but the thing is, the cost that you'd spend, the earlier you start, the earlier you could possibly finish. So really, I don't think there are any disadvantages to that, especially since you now have the flexibility in the time slots.
Right.
So you can work it around your summer. So
Right. It's just about working with your schedule.
Right.
Excellent. And so after you do an assessment, would you do a report?
Well, it depends. If a parent wants a report, they can ask for one, and then they can pay for that.
Right.
But it's not mandatory. We're not going to force them to pay
We don't
for it.
have a one-size-fits-all
exactly.
report.
It just depends on what they need.
Right. And that's what some parents need, a standardized report with school, and they want detailed explanations. And some people, it might be helpful just to have some goals.
Exactly.
To that, and that might be helpful.
Exactly. So we do it based on what you need.
Yeah. Excellent. So if parents are interested in getting in, how would they get in to see you?
They'll just call here at Abilities, and they'll talk to Kathy or her gender, and we go from there.
Right. And if they're not in our Abbotsford location, then they can check out the location that's closest to them on their website, and we'll take care of them. All right. Thanks, Charlotte.
You're welcome.
Excellent.
Bye.